In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up budgets in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each option means, and how to enter your numbers with confidence. First, head over to Xero.com and open your organization. Make sure you have access to reports and budgeting. If you don't see the options I mentioned, you may need the right user permissions from your admin. Once you're in, look for the reporting area. This is where Xero groups your financial insights and tools. Click Reporting, then open Budget Manager. Budget Manager is the hub for creating and managing your financial plan across income and expense accounts. Inside Budget Manager, you'll see a place to select a budget. If you already have one, you can choose it here to edit. If you're starting fresh, click Add New Budget. Give your budget a clear descriptive name, something like FY26 Company Budget or Q3 Sales Plan. Works well, so you can find it later. Next, select the region if your business uses tracking categories for locations or divisions. This tells Xero whether the budget applies to the whole organization or just a specific area, such as a particular region or department. When that looks right, click Save to create the budget shell. Now set the time frame, choose the start date or month for your budget so Xero aligns the columns correctly. Then choose whether to include actuals. Selecting actuals pre-fills the budget with your real numbers up to a chosen month, which can save time and help you build a forecast from your current performance. After that, select the period settings, typically 12 months, show monthly, though you can adjust to match your planning cycle. Click Update, so Xero refreshes the grid using your selections. You'll now see your accounts down the left and months across the top. Enter values on your budget line by line, add revenue targets to your income accounts, and plan spending to your expense accounts. You can type figures month by month, copy a figure across a row for consistent months, or spread totals evenly to save time. If seasonality matters, reflect that by increasing some months and decreasing others. Pause occasionally to review totals at the bottom to ensure they align with your goals and cash expectations. When you're done, click Save. Your budget is now stored in Xero, ready to compare against actual performance in your reports. You can return to Budget Manager anytime to refine your assumptions as new information comes in.